I'm Jim. I'm from Western Massachusetts. I went to Dr. Pearl about 4 months ago, February, and I'm extremely pleased. Before getting this treatment done, I'd walk into a big box store and have a hard time walking out. I was never sure what was going to happen. Sometimes I would, sometimes I wouldn't. That kind of inconvenience has basically disappeared, and extremely pleased.
The difference is 85 to 90% better?
They asked me, I guess the other day and I say 85.
Yeah.
I don't know why 90 be good too. If I walk around my yard, some spots I can't ride on that I do by hand, or I do my weed whacking, after an hour, I just go home and, sit down and do whatever. Before I could go 10, 15 minutes and my knee would just be throbbing. That's all gone. I haven't had any issues like that at all. I'm able to, do my yard work without pain. I don't have any pain at night. Now it's only 4 months in, so I haven't, tested my knee to some of the sports activity I used to do, but I'm riding my bike, and I'm just in conversation with the doctor the other day. I'm increasing my mileage, say 10% a week, just to see how we do. Overall, I'm extremely pleased and glad. I'm almost a little sad I waited so long, that kind of thing. Because like I said, being without the pain is a big deal. I didn't realize how much it was a big deal. I am glad I did it. Dr. Pearl and the staff are great people. They're wonderful.